you getting all this Madeira from anyway?
In Madeira, rapaz, I have a small cousin who sent me 5 or 6 bottles.
Oh, do you have some British tea by any chance?
Tea doesn't write Declaration of Independence, Ben.
He's really funny. I laughed so hard my ribs hurt.
You're the best in the world at that, aren't you?
How did they do this, Mike?
Check it out.
Olá, tudo bem? São aqui as pessoas, está a faltar um, que é precisamente o Jeff. Mas ele vem a caminho. Então, o que é que tu achas disto tudo?
Eu acho isto uma aventura. Isto vamos andar no Washington lá para cima.
Estou empolgado.
Estás empolgado?
Nota-se.
Olha o sapatinho. É? Não caias.
Vai ter uma aventura.
Olha, faz cheiro de George Washington. O chefe dos chefes.
Mas a tua cara está no dólar, Benjamin Franklin. Olá, categoria, pá. What
we do to be famous.
Fica boa a camisa?
Isto. Eu acho que sim.
Oh, isto eu a parte disto não consigo puxar.
Vais beber vinho Madeira.
Já para trás.
Já parte trás.
A parte de trás.
Ah, pois é, então, não estás a ver a coisa que está hoje?
Parece uma Maria, não é?
Olha, é assim. É relógio assim, não sei se já tinha destes relógios.
É verdade.
18.
Rolex. Ah.
Espera.
Exatamente, para fazer. É o pulgar, não é os dedos, é o pulgar.
É, mas gosto dessa cor.
Parece o Joker.
Oh, Joker. Look who it is.
Não quero pintar, ó.
Parece o Joker.
Oh my god, whose idea was this?
Second time.
Está lavadinho, vá. What happened, bro? What is going on?
Antigamente não fazia esses contrastes, cores.
Vai ser pequenino.
Não é preciso fazer nada.
Goddamn document. Please tell me this is the goddamn last time.
Yeah, you gotta do this like Samuel L. Jackson.
Not like this Americans. The goddamn 150. Goddamn. What the hell is it? The 155th goddamn copy of this goddamn document. Please tell me this is the goddamn last time.
Why are you so angry, John? Sit down and enjoy a glass of Madeira.
So I'm not even dressed yet, you know? Please, for the love of God. God, for the love of God, Dad.
I don't like this sound. We have to change it something more bold. Bold? Just like this bold. Bold.
Voala.
God damn!
Give me your best goddamn. Go.
Goddamn!
Boa, está feito, pessoal.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of the greatest vlog in the world. My name is Jeff, your favorite tour guide in Madeira, and today is the behind the scenes video of the video you watched last week, which I sincerely hope was not a disaster. And if it was, then I want to say sorry to everyone watching. I don't know whose idea this was, but no, we're all hoping that it's gonna go well. So here I am, dressed like I'm gonna do the bilingual. Huh? So let's get that bilingual sorted. And I and move on with the video. I don't know how to do the bilingual now. I'm like, I've never been this kind of bilingual kind of guy. This like bilingual stuff. I don't know how to do this stuff. So yeah, let's just roll the clip. This is as embarrassing as it needs to be. So these are our costumes. I was a little bit nervous when you guys last saw me in the dress rehearsal, to be honest. But this is actually from an association here in Funchal called ATEF in Portuguese, the Associação Teatro Experimental de Funchal. It's a group of people that, of course, you know, rent out suits and support actors in Funchal. So we've been asked to give them a shout out. So thank you guys for the suits, and you know, we're super happy. Everyone looks fantastic. So we're getting ready. We're getting ready to shoot. We're gonna drink some wine. We're gonna have some fun, and yeah, see how it goes. Stay tuned.
Eu gosto desse detalhe aí, o script aqui.
Nanda, how does it feel?
I feel okay. I feel very, very important.
More wine? Could we please just talk about something more serious here? Today we have the pleasure of drinking Elise's grandfather's wine. So this is a homemade, you can see he made his own little label over here, Vindoce from 1989. And the other one is from 1981, wherever the bottle is, which is pretty cool. And George Washington apparently used to drink a bottle of Madeira a day. So today I'm going to be drinking as much Madeira as possible, just so that I can be like in character, and hopefully that'll help get through the scenes. So I think we're all ready. Nuno, you ready?
Yes.
There he is, he's looking ready.
Damn, I'm ready.
Here we go, let's do it. Let's do it. Seriously, we're here to discuss...
Vais lá.
Ele já está com medo de falhar.
Cena 3, take 1.
These things take time, Thomas. Relax. Take it easy. Be happy.
Yeah, man. Chile. Nothing bad really happened if you keep listening.
Cena 6, take 1.
What?
Espera que possa.
In Madeira, rapaz, I have a cousin who sent me 5 or 6. Small cousin.
We're gonna change professions. We're gonna become professional actors. That's what you guys do. Although we're only halfway through. We're not even halfway through. We're through the first little section, and someone took my wine. Where's my wine?
He doesn't write in the declaration, but yeah.
Ação!
Rapaz, que é lá,
Ação!
então.
Vá. Vais lá. Não olhes para a câmera,
Sim. Quanto mais vinho bebes, mais português.
E bebo.
Madeira is good, but are the kinds of wine, and then at the end,
Cena 19.
tem que ser a coisa mesmo que é um impacto. Nothing smells like fish, okay?
Ação!
It's just a little bit of wine. Nothing smells of fish. Little bit of wine.
A little bit.
God damn. Please tell me.
Mas também uma
God damn.
Let us all laugh. Let us all... What?
What is this? Tens mesmo que...
Yeah. What is this over here? I hope he's got a serious face on. Where the difference of opinion? The difference of opinion is not the difference of the greatest explorers in the world hit the road Madeira. Who did?
Almost there.
Não é bem essa. Não é bem. Não, tu estás espantado a olhar para ele tipo.
Like never before. Boys, what do we think?
Yes.
God damn. Yes. Right? Okay. Where's the door? We're coming up towards the end. I think it's all gone really well and within the time frame. So it's 2 o'clock. We've had a couple of hours of filming and I think everyone is happy. At least André looks happy. And we're here at Quinta de Santa Luzia's absolutely beautiful, beautiful Quinta. And by chance, we got to actually film this video inside their lounge. And initially it was supposed to be in the library because we thought it would be nice with books and things like that, but the lounge really shone, at least with the natural light and all of that stuff, so it really looks fantastic. So thank you again to everybody at Quinta de Santa Luzia. If you guys want to come out here and you want to stay in a very special place, then this is the place you want to stay. Definitely want to check out quintadesantaluzia.com and book your stay. It's well worth it. Again, thank you guys. Don't want to do this too much, just wanted to update you guys. And yeah, we're gonna finish this off. Alex, huh? Yes, good stuff. Yeah. Good stuff.
How's it looking?
Oh, it's very interesting. This is going to be, and now you're going to be in character. You're going to be. This is like a play.
Yeah, it's kind of a little bit like that. You're probably the first subscriber that gets to see this script.
Well,
so
I won't share with anybody else.
No, of course.
It'll be a secret.
But it's like it's a satire, comedic satire. So yeah.
Yeah, it's very interesting.
Yeah, it's gonna be interesting.
You'll be playing well.
So it's been a few days since the last film shoot and we've actually been able to check out the video. So that's why we're here at my favorite music store, Studio 21. If you guys are looking for anything music related or audio related, check out these guys. The links are in the description below and where to find them. This is my go-to music store. Some of you may know that I was a drummer before I became a professional actor. So these guys are really cool. They've always been cool to me and they actually gave me a job here teaching people how to play drums during COVID, which really helped. The little bit of work that we had really helped, so thank you for that as well. And it was also here that I got to meet André. So good things come from you know, people around you and people and your friends and family that are supporting you. And I want to say again a big thank you to everyone who's supporting us, everyone who's watching us, everyone who's helping us, everyone who helped with this production, Atef, Andrew Blandy, the Quinta de Santa Luzia, all the actors, of course, André, Alex, you know, Tanya and Veronica, André Ferreira, Vitor Costa, thank you as well. You know, we're super glad to be around people that, you know, support us and get behind our crazy ideas. So thank you. And that's it, guys. I promise some more Madeira-based content, right? It's not all gonna be fun and jokes. We've got some real serious stuff coming. We've got some cool stuff coming. We are ambitious as hell this year. We are proper ambitious. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. André?
Let's hit the road.
Let's hit the road.
Okay.
Yeah?
You find that chair comfortable?
I do like this chair. I feel like a big time Academy Award winning producer, not actor. Ooh!
We got visuals.
Yeah.